heavy downpours led to flash flood warnings this morning for parts of eastern Palm Beach County anyway. Several drivers had a really tough time with it, as you can see right there. WPTV News Channel 5's Cam Eppinger, he's live this afternoon in West Palm Beach, where some areas saw actually more than 10 inches of rainfall in a really short time. Cam?
Yeah, Shannon, well, this is a look at the aftermath from that heavy rainfall. This is along Flagler Drive here in West Palm Beach, and I'm also told by residents this is another reason why this area is so prone to flooding.
Stupid frustrating.
The heavy rainfall left behind a mess and a big headache for Evan Smith.
Went over the back seat, probably up to about there.
His classic Honda Civic Coupe washed up and ruined from Friday morning storm here along North Flagler Drive in West Palm Beach.
I didn't park my car last like this. I didn't park it like this, it was straight, so there's cars flooding down the road.
And to make matters worse, he says he's only had the car for a few weeks.
Yeah, about a month and a half ago. It was a special gift. Sucks.
Michaela Mary also dealing with a flood of trouble.
I couldn't move, everything shut off, and I couldn't go anywhere.
Her morning commute stopped short after her Audi stalled out in the middle of the road. She tried to get help from other drivers, but to no avail.
I was honestly hoping that one of the cars would just kind of push me because it was not flooded like 100 feet up. So I was like, if I could just float a little bit further, then I could get out of here.
The floodwaters ended up moving her car to the side of the road. Luckily, Mom and Dad weren't too far away and came to her rescue.
I felt bad for her. I mean, how horrible. It's not like, these are not floating devices.
Well, one, I'm not going to drive on Flagler when it's raining.
And the good news in all of this is that the West Palm Beach Police says that no one was injured. We do know that the city did have to shut down a few streets here in the Northwood Shores neighborhood, but those streets have since reopened. Reporting live in West Palm Beach, I'm Cam Eppinger. Back to you.